Good morning students. I welcome back to physics online class. Last class we learnt fourth lesson. What are the topics we learnt? Have you remember? Yes, heating effect of current. Under that what and all we learnt? Yes, what is Joule's law of heating? Have you remember what is Joule's law of heating? Did you all go through that? Okay. And application of heating effect we studied, is it? Then what do you mean by electric power? The definition of electric power, unit of electric power, and what do you mean by horsepower, and consumption of the electrical energy we studied. And today we are going to learn about the domestic electric circuits, how the electric circuits are connected in our houses, and overloading and short circuiting, and what is the role of earth wire. And also we are going to learn the LED bulb and 7-segment display, and what are the merits of LED bulb and LED television, and what are the advantages of LED television. Have you all ready to listen the class? Good. What you are observing in this picture? Yes, this is the power station. So, before learning the domestic electric circuit, we must know how the electricity is produced, isn't it? The electricity is produced from the power station. From the power station to the electricity is coming to our houses or transformed to our houses through overhead cables or underground cables. Okay, that is overhead cables means that is electric poles. This is the domestic electric circuit. Here we can see the different colors wire, earth wire, live wire and the neutral wire. Usually the earth wire is green color insulation, the live wire red color insulation, the neutral wire is black color insulation. So from the transmission lines or the electric poles to the wires, the live wire and the neutral wire, it is connected to the fuse board, and fuse board to it will be connected to the main box, and from the main box to it will be connected to the distribution box. Okay, from the distribution box to it will be connected to the different appliances. Okay, the potential difference between the live wire and the neutral wire, it is 220 volt. So once again listen here. So the live wire, neutral wire, it will be passed to the fuse board, and from the fuse board to it will be connected to the electric meter. You all know that electric meter, it is used to measure the consumption of the electrical energy. Okay, and from that box to it will be connected to the main switch, okay, or distribution box. Okay, and from the distribution box to it will be connected to the different appliances. Now you can go through the important points from the domestic electric circuit. So listen, first point, the electric power is generated by the electric power station. Okay, from the electric power station to it will be supplied to our homes through electric poles or underground cables. So this electric poles, it is also called overhead cables or underground cables. Okay, in big cities and all, the transmission lines, overhead cables is not possible. That's why they are using the underground cables. And in the villages, we are using this electric poles, that is overhead cables. Okay, then the electric wires reach our home through main supply. Okay, after that what is there? The main supply, it is there. There are two types of wires are there. What and all? Live wire, it is red color insulation and it is called as the live wire. Okay, and it is taken as positive. And the neutral wire, it is the black color insulation, it is called as the neutral wire and it is negative. The potential difference between the live and neutral wire is 220 volt. Okay, so in our country the potential difference, how much the live wire and neutral wire, the potential difference is for the household appliances, how much they are giving? 220 volt. Then these wires are passed into the electricity meter through a main fuse. Okay, nowadays in our houses we are using this MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. Okay, and main fuse, through main fuse or this miniature circuit breaker. Okay, and from the main switch to they are connected to the lines wire in the houses. That is from the distribution box to it will be connected to the different appliances. Okay, and these wires supply electricity have normally two different circuits are there. What and all there means that is one for 15 ampere current rating circuit. Okay, this 15 ampere current rating circuit, it is used for appliances like higher load. Okay, that is electric iron, geysers, then air coolers. Okay, for this and all they are using this 15 ampere current rating circuit. Second one, 5 ampere current rating circuit. Okay, these are used for the appliances having less load. Okay, low power consumption, that is tube light, fan, TV, etc. Okay, for this and all it require only the 5 ampere current rating circuit. Okay, and the different sockets in the switch, they are normally 3 sockets. Okay, so if you are looking in our houses, you know that the plug point, how many points are there? Usually the 5 and 3 it is there, isn't it? There are normally 3 sockets in a switch. They are for connecting 3 wires. Okay, this 3 points it is for connecting 3 wires. Okay, the one is live wire, it is red color insulation, and the neutral wire it is black color insulation, and the earth wire it is green color insulation. Next we are going to learn about overloading. Just observe this picture. If many electrical appliances are used in this same board together, isn't it, or connected to the same socket. So if they draw extremely large current from the circuit, so due to this the wires may get overheated and fire may start. Fire may cause. So this is called overloading. Okay. So many appliances are connected to the same socket. What problem will occur? A large amount of current drawn from the circuit. Okay. So due to this it may causes the fire. So this is called as the overloading. So what is overloading? Too many electrical appliances are used simultaneously or together. It will be connected to the same socket. So it draws extremely large amount of current from the circuit. Due to this, the wires may get overheated and fire may start. This is called as overloading. Have you all understand what is overloading? Next we are going to learn what is short circuit. Listen the picture. When the live wire and the neutral wire are come into direct contact, they may cause short circuit. See, what's the reason? Maybe that insulation is turned off. Okay, that is why that may causes a direct contact. Secondly, the current flows through the wire without much resistance. Okay, more amount of this current is flowing through the circuit due to this reason. Then the high current passing through the wire. So the wire may be get heated up and may catches the fire. Okay, this is known as short circuiting. See, how to prevent this short circuit means it is prevented by using fuse. Okay, if you are using the fuse miniature circuit breaker, it can be able to prevent. So what do you mean by short circuit? When the live wire and the neutral wire comes in direct contact with each other. This causes the short circuit. Okay. So this happens if the insulation of both wires get turned off. Okay. That insulation removed means this will be happening. And the current flows through the wire without much resistance. Okay. The high quality of this wire it is used. Okay. This superconductors wires. The current flows through without much resistance. The current is flowing means this will be happening. And due to the high current passing through the wire, that may also causes the short circuit, and this wire may be get heated up, so it can able to catch the fire. Okay, so how to prevent this short circuit means it is prevented by using the fuse. So next we are going to learn about the electric fuse. The fuse is a device which is used in the circuit. For what purpose we are using the fuse? To prevent damage to the appliances and the circuit due to overloading. It stops the flow of unduly or high electric current. They are using this fuse wire. See in the second picture, we can see in between the live wire and the neutral wire, it will be getting break when the fuse wire melts. Okay. Whenever the high amount of current is passing through this wire, this live wire and the neutral wire will be break. So it prevents the electric appliances from damage. Have you ever seen this device in your houses? Yes, nowadays we are using this MCB, that is miniature circuit board, is used in the place of fuse wire. Okay. Now if the current becomes too large, this MCB puts off switch breaking of power supply. And this can be switched on again and reused. Okay. So during this thunder, lightning time and all, this circuit breaker automatically it will be get break. So it will protect the electric appliances from damage. So nowadays we are using this MCB, that is miniature circuit board. Shall we go through once again what is fuse? Why it is used? The fuse is a device which is used in a circuit. Okay, all the electric circuit, the fuse is connected. What is the use? To prevent damage to the appliances and the circuit due to overloading. Okay, it stops the flow of unduly high electric current. They are using this fuse. Okay, nowadays what we are using? This MCB, that means miniature circuit board, is used in the place of fuse wire. Okay, now if current becomes too large, this MCB puts off switch breaking of power supply. Okay, so automatically this miniature circuit board, it will get switch off and it will break the power supply. This can be switched on once again and reused. Okay, after that we can use reuse once again. Okay, but that fuse, the old type fuse, once that fuse wire melt means again we have to use another wire. Okay, but instead of that nowadays we are using this MCB. Okay, this miniature circuit breaker. Next we are going to learn about the LED bulbs. Okay, so in this picture you are observing the LED bulb. It's a semiconductor device that emits visible light when electric current passes through it. The color of this emitted light will depend upon the type of the materials used. And with the help of this chemical compounds like gallium arsenide and gallium phosphide, it will be produced, the radiates different colors, red, green, yellow and orange color light. This displays in the digital watches, calculators, traffic signals, street light, decorative lights, etc. Next we are going to learn what is 7-segment display. It is the display device used to give an output in the form of numbers or text. And it is used in digital meters, digital clocks, microwave ovens, etc. You can see here the 7 segments of LEDs in the form of digit 8. And these 7 LEDs are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. The extra 8th LED, it is used to display the dot. In this display you can see the number 2. So the 7-segment display, it is used to give an output in the form of numbers or text. Where and all it is used in digital clocks, microwave ovens, etc. It consists of 7 segments in the form of digit 8. The 7 LEDs are named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the extra 8th LED is used to display the dot. We learned about this LED bulb. Now we can see what's the important points in this LED bulb. It is a semiconductor device that emits visible light when electric current passes through it. Okay, LED bulbs used a semiconductor device. You know the different types of conductors: semiconductor, superconductor. Semiconductor example germanium, gallium. Okay, these are the examples of the semiconductor device. Okay, it will conduct the electricity. The color of this emitted light will depend upon the type of this materials is used. Okay, various types of materials is used to produce this LED lights. Okay, with the help of this chemical compounds like gallium arsenide and gallium phosphide, it will be produced that red, green and yellow and orange colors. Okay, and where and all we are using this LED bulbs. This it is used in the displays in digital watches, calculators, traffic signals, street lights and decorative lights, etc. Then we learned about the 7-segment display. It is the display device used to give an output in the form of a numbers or text. Okay, the output will be given in the form of numbers or text. It is used in the digital meters, digital clocks, microwave ovens, etc. And it consists of 7 segments of LEDs in the form of a digit 8. And these 7 LEDs are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And the extra 8th LED is used to display this dot. Next we are going to learn what is the merits of this LED bulb. Okay, what are the advantages of this LED bulb? The first one is that there is no filament is there in this LED bulb. Okay, like ordinary bulb, tungsten filament are not there in the LED bulb. So there is no loss of energy in the form of heat. Ordinary bulb, the energy is losses in the form of heat and light. But here there is no loss of energy in the form of heat, and it is cooler than the incandescent bulb. Comparing to that incandescent bulb, it will be cooler. And in comparisons with this, in comparisons with the fluorescent light of LED bulbs have significantly low power requirement. Okay, comparing with this ordinary fluorescent bulb, this LED bulbs it require a low power consumptions. Okay, and it is not harmful to the environment. Okay, not harmful to the environment, and a wide range of colors is possible here. By ordinary bulb only that white color is possible, but here LED bulbs the different colors is possible, and it is a cost efficient and energy efficient. Okay, comparing to this other bulbs it will be low cost. Okay, and energy also it will be efficient. And mercury and other toxic materials are not required here. Okay, ordinary bulbs the mercury vapor lamp are there, no, there are toxic materials like the toxic materials and are not required in this LED bulbs. These are the advantages of the LED bulb. Next one we are going to learn what is LED television. You already know LED, what's the full form of LED? Light emitting diode. This LED television is one of the most important application of light emitting diodes. An LED TV is actually an LCD TV, that is liquid crystal display. Okay, in the LED television, what it is there? Liquid crystal display it is there. Okay, with the LED display. And LED display uses the LEDs for backlight. And an array of LEDs act as the pixels. Okay, pixels means you know the different colors are there in that array. Okay, array of colors or usually it will be there in that LEDs. That is called as the pixels. LEDs emitting the white light, or it is used in the monochroma, that is black and white TV. Okay, and the color TV, the different colors, what and all, red, green and blue. These colors are used in this color television. Okay, the black and white there, the monochromatic light, that is that LEDs will emitting the white light. It is used in the monochrome. That is monochrome means only one single color. That is called as the monochrome. Okay, so there black and white TV, there it is only LEDs emits the white light. But in the color television, red, green, blue. Okay, these are the colors is used in this color television. The first LED television screen was developed by James P. Mitchell. Okay, thereof 1977. He only first developed that LED television screen. Okay, who? James P. Mitchell. Okay, thereof 1977. It was a monochromatic display. But after that, about 3 decades, thereof 2009. The Sony company introduced the first commercial LED television. Okay, the first commercial LED television was invented there of 2009. Okay, which company? Sony. Now you can see what's the advantages of LED television comparing to this ordinary television. Okay, the first one is it has a brighter picture quality. Comparing to the ordinary television, this LED television it gives the brighter picture quality. It is brighter and it is thinner in size. Okay, size it is very thinner comparing to the ordinary TV, and it uses the less power consumes and very less energy. Okay, less power only it is used, and it will be consumes very less amount of energy, and its lifespan it is more. Okay, comparing to the ordinary TV, this LED television the lifetime it is more, and it is more reliable. Comparing to that ordinary television, this LED television you can see the picture, it is more reliable. Okay, so these are the advantages of the LED television. Do you know what is this? This is the earth wire. What is the insulation of this earth wire? It is the green color insulation. Okay. So from the electric appliances too, it is connected to the metal rod or metal electrode, and it will be deeply buried into the earth. And it provides the low resistance path to the electric current. Whenever the live wire accidentally touches the body of the metallic electric appliances, this earth wire will serve as the protective conductor, which saves us from the electric shock. What's the role of earth wire in the domestic circuit? Third wire called as the earth wire. What color insulation? Yes, green color insulation. It is connected to the body of the metallic electric appliances. On the other end of this earth wire, it is connected to the metal tube or metal electrode, where it will be, which is deeply buried inside the earth, and it will be provides low resistance path to the electric current. So whenever the leakage of current is there on the appliances, the earth wire, it will be providing the low resistance path for that current. So the current will be passes through the earth wire and it will be goes to the earth. Whenever the live wire accidentally touches the body of the metallic electric appliances, this leakage of current will be possible. At that time, this earth wire provides the low resistance path for that appliances. The earth wire serves as the protective conductor. So this earth wire will act as the protective conductor and it saves us from the severe electric shock. Students, now you have to take your book and you have to mark the question answer. Roman letter 6 already we marked 2 questions, isn't it? First question and fourth question we marked already. Now the remaining 2 questions, question number 2 and 3. It is not given in the book properly, so you have to write it down in your note. Okay, the second question, Roman letter 6, question number 2. What happens to the resistance as the conductor is made thicker? What happens to the resistance as the resistance of the conductor is made thicker? Answer is the resistance decreases as the conductor is made thicker. So the conductor is made thicker means what will happen? The resistance will be decreases. So you have to write it down. The resistance decreases as the conductor is made thicker. What is the reason? Below that you write it. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the cross section. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the cross section, or proportional to 1 by A. That is inversely proportional to area of the cross section. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the cross section or proportional to 1 by A. Have you all written the second question? Now you have to write the question number 3. Why is the tungsten metal used in bulbs but not in the fuse wire? The tungsten is used in the bulb, but the tungsten is not used in the fuse wire. Why? The answer, write it. Tungsten has high melting point. It can be high heat for glowing. Tungsten has high melting point. It can be high heat for glowing. Okay, but in fuse wire, the wire used in it should be melt. So in the fuse wire, what wire we are using, that easily want to melt. Okay, the melting point will be less. That type of wire only we have to use in the fuse wire. So the wire has low melting point should be used as the fuse wire. Have you written? Tungsten has high melting point. It can be high heat for glowing. But in fuse wire, the wire used in it should be melt. So the wire has the low melting point, should be used as the fuse wire. So the tungsten metal is used in the bulb. So the tungsten metal is used in the bulbs, not in the fuse wire. Next, Roman letter 7, question number 5. What connection is used in the domestic appliances and why? Page number 52. Page number 52. So in this paragraph, from the last to 6th line, all the circuits in a house are connected in parallel so that the disconnection of one circuit does not affect the other circuit. And one more advantages of the parallel connection of the circuit is that each electric appliances get an equal voltage. Okay. This one Roman letter 7 question number 5. Next question Roman letter 7 question number 2. What is the role of earth wire in the domestic electric circuit? That is answer is page number 53. See page number 53, earthing paragraph. In domestic circuits, the third wire called as the earth wire having the green insulation is usually connected to the body of the metallic electric appliances. First point, the other end of this earth, it is used to connect the metal tube or metal electrode which is buried into the earth. The third point, this wire provides low resistance path to the electric current. The earth wire sends the current from the body of the appliances to the earth. Next point, whenever the live wire accidentally touches the body of the metallic electric appliances, this earth wire serves as the protective conductor which saves us from the electric shock. Next question, Roman letter 8, long answer, 7 mark question. In that, fourth question, explain about the domestic electric circuit. Explain about the domestic electric circuits. Page number 52. First point, this page number 52. Here in this page, third line, the first stage of the domestic circuit is to bring the power supply to the main box from a distributing panel, such as the transformer. The important components of the main boxes are fuse box and the meter. Next, the electricity is brought to houses by the two insulated wire. Out of these two wires, one wire has the red insulation and is called live wire, and the other wire has the black insulation is called as the neutral wire. The next point, the electricity supplied to our houses is actually an alternating current having an electric potential 220 volt. After the electricity meter, these wires enter into the main switch which is used to discontinue the electricity supply whenever required. Next one, out of these two circuits, the circuits of 5 ampere rating which is used to run the electric appliances with a low power rating such as tube light, bulbs and fans. The other circuit of 15 ampere rating which is used in run electric appliances with the high power rating such as air conditioner, refrigerator, the electric iron and the heaters. And it should be noted that all the circuits of a houses are connected already. This one we marked the question number 5. This short answers including that also you should mark for this 7 mark question. Next question number 5, Roman letter 8, question number 5. What are the advantages of LED TV over the normal TV? Page number 54. And list the merits of LED bulb, page number 53. So merits of LED bulb, we have to mark page number 53, all these points, 1 to 6 points. Next page number 54, that advantages of LED television it is there. Okay, these points you have to mark. Advantages of LED television. And today's homework, you have to read page number 51 to 54 and you have to learn and write the following question. Roman letter 6 question numbers 2 and 3. Everything today what you marked, isn't it? Roman letter 7 question number 2 and Roman letter 8 question number 4 and 5. Okay, this question you should learn and write in the note. Thank you students.